Hello there YouTube land and welcome back to the Small Workshop Adventures. Bit of housekeeping before we get started. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and click the like button. It's really appreciated. So this is just a channel update. What's going on in the world of the Small Workshop Adventures? Well, I have hit around 2,500 subscribers. It keeps growing and growing, and I just want to say a big thank you to all the new subscribers that have come on board. It's appreciated, and there's lots to see, and I'm really grateful that you continue to watch this channel, and the channel is growing. The channel is growing, and that's exciting. It is for me. It's probably not exciting for you. I get that. Of course it's not. But I appreciate everybody that watches and that places comments and all of those things. It matters. And I do my level best, my very best to try and get back to you in some form, whether it's just a heart, which is a thank you, or whether sometimes I can just comment back and put those in. Increasingly busier and busier with the channel and all the things that I bring to the channel. So have some things potentially in the pipeline that I'm not going to talk about at the moment, but there could be some other developments coming. So who knows? Well, I'm thinking about it anyway. But as in all these things, finding the time on top of working, busy, running the channel. I run the channel, I do all my editing and all of those things. I do it, for me, early in the morning. That's me before I then go off to do the work I do, which is obviously building things and carpentry, and you see those videos, but I do a lot of the editing all before early in the morning, so I just keep on top of it, and I endeavour to get at least one video out a week. Sometimes there's a couple, so it depends on what it is. And obviously there's more well-being and mental health stuff that I'm passionate about, and I'm really continue to be keen and excited about moving that forward and supporting men, particularly men in the construction industry. It's not exclusively, because as you know, I have a history of working in mental health for best part of a decade, really, and it's about everybody's well-being. But I know that my channel is watched mostly, probably 80%, by the male population around not only the United Kingdom but around the world. So thank you so much. 2,500. Wow, incredible. Obviously I want to grow it more, and I'm going to keep doing that, and I'd appreciate your help in just sharing it. If you're going to share the channel, maybe you can just share some of the videos on your social media, and maybe people will come this way. I'll be very, very grateful. So what's coming up soon? Well, I'm currently building quite a big garden room. It's fully insulated. It's got bifold doors. It'll have a steel in it across the front. It's got a pergola attached to it with a roof and all sorts of things. And then a lot of stuff inside. It'll have a kitchenette, and it'll have a bathroom as well. So a fully working toilet and basin and all those things. So that's quite an exciting thing. We are in about I'm into week 2 of that build. So that's exciting, and those videos will drop, or the start of those videos will drop in the coming, maybe in a week or two's time, where we'll start to see that where as I edit it and as I continue the build. So that is very exciting. We've got lots more outside. As you know, summer is although it's actually not as summery today, a bit stormy over the weekend, but it is summer here. So in the summer I tend to focus a lot, or 100%. I'm no focusing. I target and I do work outside. Who wouldn't want to work outside in a British summer when it's glorious and the weather is nice? I'm getting me suntan, but obviously my suntan goes from there to there, and obviously covered up everywhere. I'm not going to show you any of this. That would be wrong and inappropriate. Although me and my wife, we did go to the pub the other night, and because I'm in my boots, my working boots and socks, I'm in my my nice little flip flops, going down for an evening, you know, a pint and an evening meal, and so my feet. She said, "You do look silly." My feet are glowing white all of a sudden. Looks like I've got white socks on, but it's just my skin, my white feet that have had no sun against that part of my legs, which I'm in shorts this time of the year. And she said, so I've got classic sort of suntan like that, totally uneven, but I don't care. I don't care. So anyway, where was I going with that? I was talking about the British summer and being outside all the time and working out. And that's what I'm working on. I've got the garden room. We've got some decking, really nice decking projects coming up, which would be nice to showcase them and a bit more detail. One of them has got planters built into it, or it will have steps and planters. So I'm going to be doing that. That's a little way down the line, but I'm going to be doing that. So more decking projects, outside projects, and I do have another garden room which will be with composite. So that will have possibly bifolds, but it's going to be composite all round. So it's going to be a composite cladding and all sorts of things like that. So that's going to be a really nice smaller garden room, about 4 meters by 3 meters, so not as big as the ones I'm currently building, but that's going to be out there. So we've got loads coming up, and who knows what else pops in. We've got some I've got a nice little shed build, a little garden utility shed, not a shed you can walk into, but a shed that is a very small space for a very small garden, and it incorporates not only a shed a little bit and a bit of a bin store. So we've got that coming up. That will be in the coming weeks as well. So we're fitting in all sorts of things, loads of things. And who knows? It's exciting. You know, I never know. I wake up and the day comes and another project, another opportunity for something comes in, and then that can come onto the channel. So loads coming up, and I just appreciate your support and your continued support around that. So, as always, thanks for watching, and take care of yourself in all that you do this week and the coming weeks. And I will see you on the next video. So from me, Mark, at the Small Workshop Adventure, take care, everybody. Bye!